Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and track your steps on the Ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ladder application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with tracking our steps. But first things first, we're going to select our team to be able to work out. In the bottom right corner, you're going to select the team section, filter out the team that you want to be a part of, and once you find the team that suits you the most, you can go ahead and select it and get started following that team's workouts right here. So the Ladder application focuses on strength training metrics and does not have a dedicated standalone pedometer or step tracking dashboard. So however, you can use Apple Health integration to sync your daily steps and wearable data to your Ladder profile. So you're going to go right here into the upper right corner and click on the profile icon. Then you're going to click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. This is going to enable you to select this option right here that says integrations, and this is going to enable you to enable Apple Health Sync, and you can sync your Apple Watch as well or Strava to be able to track your steps. So once you do this, you're going to be able to use any of the options right here, maybe the Strava app, maybe the Apple Watch, to track your steps and add them to your workouts and to your journal right here, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.